Is the greater Seattle real estate market about to take a huge turn in 2024? What if I told you that something unexpected is unfolding right now and it could dramatically change how you buy or sell a home this year? You won't believe what's happening. Stay tuned for an eye-opening reveal. As we dive into my monthly real estate market update report for the greater Seattle area for January 2024, get ready for some surprising insights that could redefine your real estate decisions. And let's get after it right now. Let's hit the brakes just for a sec. Sure, stats don't lie and math is math, but what about your story? In this unpredictable market, especially in King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties, what's your real estate experience right now? Are you battling it out to buy a home right now, maybe finding it surprisingly smooth? Or are you on the sidelines waiting for just the right moment? And hey sellers, are you seeing a flood of buyers right now, or are you hearing nothing but crickets? I'm all ears for your real life tales, so drop them in the comments. Now let's gear up to unravel the intricacies of our current real estate market. You might be in for some eye-openers. First up, let's talk about interest rates. We've seen a nice drop recently. Back in December, rates fell to about 6.62%, a welcome decrease from 7.8% in October. This change is huge for buyers and sellers alike. Now, a quick flashback, a couple years ago when interest rates were super low and bidding wars were the norm, I helped an amazing couple sell their condo and rent it. We not only sold it for $50,000 above the asking price, but I also found them an incredible deal on a property with plenty of land, snagging it for over $100,000 below the appraised value. They were over the moon and I was thrilled to help them find their perfect home. You can hear their full story on my YouTube channel under my client video testimonial playlist. So if you're thinking about making a move, this shift in rates could be a crucial factor. But a heads up, many people who waited last year for rates to drop are now ready to jump back into the market. This means we might see a surge in home buying activity real soon. Don't hold back, now's the time to chase after that dream home of yours. Next up, let's tackle inventory, or rather the lack of it. Right now, we're seeing a 17% decrease in active listings compared to last year, which is keeping the market tight. Speaking of low inventory, one of my favorite things to do as a realtor is to hunt for off-market deals for my clients. Now, I always tell people that the vast majority of homes are sold through the MLS. However, thanks to efforts I put in finding off-market properties, I managed to get a few clients into some incredible off-market deals every year. Take Keith, for instance. I helped him find a for sale by owner property that wasn't even listed on Zillow, let alone the MLS. You can check out Keith's video testimonial on my YouTube channel under my video client testimonial playlist as well. By the way, if you're looking to receive these Seattle area real estate market updates both in video format and written form sent directly to your email, feel free to sign up, link below in the comments. Now let's talk about median sales prices and seasonal trends. You see, right after New Year's, the market starts to wake up. All of those buyers who were waiting for the holiday season to end are now actively looking for homes. And sellers who wanted to avoid the holiday slowdown, well, many of them are starting to list their homes in January and February. They're trying to get ahead of the spring rush when there are usually a lot more homes hitting the market. So while we're often seeing a dip in activity during the holidays, this post-holiday period can actually be a really smart time for both buyers and sellers. Buyers might find some great deals before the spring competition heats up, and sellers can benefit from the increased attention as more buyers start their search. In King County, the median price nudged up from $795,000 to $799,925. Meanwhile, Snohomish County saw a slight drop from $714,950 to $699,000. And Pierce County dipped from $530,000 to $515,475. I have a video testimonial on my channel from a client who bought a home over the holiday season and managed to nab a fantastic deal because there weren't many buyers out looking at houses at that time. We actually took advantage of a week where there was snow on the ground, and those of you who have lived in Seattle for a few years at least know that even a half an inch of snow is taken very seriously around here. Well, we secured a fantastic home for this wonderful family, and they got the keys on Christmas Eve. Now, just because the holidays are over doesn't mean buyers have missed their chance for good deals. I highly advise getting out there and house hunting before the spring market activity kicks in. Okay, now let's take a closer look at the new listings and closed sales, comparing them with my last market update figures. In King County this past month, we've seen 1,471,000 new listings, down from the previous month's 2,891 listings. Closed sales have also decreased slightly from 1,850 2 months ago to 1,507 this past month. Over in Snohomish County, new listings dropped from 996 to 805, and closed sales decreased from 809 to 600. In Pierce County, new listings fell from 1,022 down to 850, with closed sales down from 812 to 730. This shift in numbers reflects the typical seasonal slowdown, but keep in mind we can expect things to start picking up as we head from winter into spring. Alright, let's dive into what 2024 is looking like in real estate. The National Association of Realtors has some big predictions. Get this, they're expecting a massive 13.5% jump in sales of existing homes. As for new homes, they're already beating the odds with 5% increase this year. And guess what? They're predicted to soar even higher with an incredible 19% increase by next year's end. That's a huge shakeup for this market. Now, speaking of new construction homes, they can be an awesome choice for anyone looking for a fresh start in a well-established neighborhood. Why? These homes come equipped with the latest features and are designed for top-notch energy efficiency. While you may not be able to customize every aspect to your exact preference, many builders offer a range of choice in color schemes and material styles. This means you can still add a personal touch to your new home, all while avoiding the extensive renovations often required in older houses. But hey, a quick tip, and I can't stress this enough, never skip your home inspection, even with a new construction. Take my client Miriam, for instance. She got a fantastic new construction home, and thanks to a thorough inspection, we confirmed it was a smart buy. Seriously, spending around $500 on a home inspection is the best investment you can make. You are spending this money to make sure the home is built right and avoiding potentially thousands of dollars in mistakes. And you can hear all about Miriam's experience on my client playlist. Okay, so I wanted to throw in an extra tip for you. If you're planning to buy a home in 2024, as the market heats up, you might find it challenging to discover homes within your budget. A smart strategy is to have your realtor look for off-market properties. As I mentioned earlier in this video, snagging an off-market deal could be a huge win in the market we're entering. If you want to learn more about how your realtor can do this for you, check out my video where I cover this topic in detail. And sellers, I haven't forgotten about you. If you're preparing to list your home, especially if it will be vacant or minimally furnished, consider virtual staging. This innovative approach allows you to showcase your property in photos with professionally designed virtual furniture while keeping the space open and inviting for in-person viewings. It offers the best of both worlds for many home sellers. These two nuggets of info could make a significant difference in your real estate journey this year. Thanks for tuning in to this month's market update. I hope you found it insightful and useful. Just a reminder, I'm Aramar, your go-to realtor in the greater Seattle area, serving clients in King, Pierce, and Snohomish counties. And hey, if you're looking to buy or sell a home in the greater Seattle area, don't hesitate, reach out. Let's make your real estate dreams come true. You can find all of my contact details in the description below. I'm a big fan of the one-on-one Zoom meetings. They're the best way to connect. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, I look forward to continuing to provide you with top-notch real estate advice. Have a great day.